Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. So right now I am going to be having lunch. Right now it's currently 1:28. I'm gonna be showing you guys, instead of me picking up my plate and show you guys that way like I normally do. My plate is way too hot for me just to hold it right now. If I hold it right now, then it's just gonna spill. I don't know if my plates are breakable or not. So anyways, so one thing I could show you is this drink. It's not from Starbucks. It's from like sorry, I was thirsty. It was from this mocha iced tea brand. I'm gonna find a picture and I'm gonna find, like, put it here somewhere on the screen for you guys. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys my lunch, and after that I'm gonna start reorganizing either the linen closet first, or the fridge, or the pantry. Like, it's pretty much, I'm gonna leave you guys a whole to-do list here for you guys. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and let's go ahead and get this vlog started. I'm taking my dog a bath right now. Just gonna show you guys really quick, because if she's in here too long, she will misbehave. I just want to show you guys the shampoo that I am using on her. So this is everything the shampoo does. It's a 6-in-1. So yeah, I really love it because it's a lavender scent. So far I love it. I'm probably gonna try one more brand after this once this is done, but most likely after I try one more, and I'm probably gonna go back to this one. So yeah, I'm gonna give her a little bath, and I will see you guys when I feed her. So I want to show you guys how my clothes looks like after I give my dog a bath. So this is what happens. She gets me so wet afterwards, but she does behave when my husband gives her a bath. So I think the next time I give her a bath, I'm gonna film it and I'll show you guys how she misbehaves with me. And when my husband does it, I'm gonna show you how calm she is when he does it. So yeah, right now I'm gonna get ready, and I'm already dressed, so I'm just gonna put some makeup on and do my hair and just fully get ready. I'm pretty much just doing my makeup. I just have my outfit on. So anyway, so I will see you guys when I do my makeup. So I made some chicken tacos tonight, and I have this to drink, and my husband's just gonna have some water. He's finishing up a game right now, and then we're gonna watch some YouTube while we eat. So yeah, I pretty much gonna see you guys later when I'm gonna show you guys a before and after when I do my nails. Then after that, I don't know what I'm gonna do after I'm done doing my nails. So anyways, I will see you guys until I do my nails. So I added this Taco Bell sauce that we had, and it's the mayo one, and it says you made my day. So yeah, I just put some on these 3 tacos, and we are gonna be watching Jules and Son. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the extras. No, well, the last, oh my god, I can talk, the last minute thing that I just added. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I was gonna do my nails, but I'm gonna save that for tomorrow's vlog. Because I think I'm gonna do a little summer night routine tomorrow. So yeah, I want to save that for my nails for tomorrow's vlog. So anyways, I hope you guys love today's vlog no matter what. And yeah, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.